Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda SMX. It comes with 43,902 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 doors, 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch as well. I did want to let y'all know that this vehicle is similar to the Honda Stepwagon. It's just the baby version of it. The size of it is about similar to the Honda CR-V. Everything interior is the same as the Honda Stepwagon. I did want to tell you these seats, they do stow away, so that you could have all this room back here if you wanted to. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. This is the kilometers right here, 70,654. As y'all can see, the lights have gone away. The miles on it again is 43,902. The kilometers is 70,654. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support of each and every one of you guys. We really do appreciate it. It does make a difference. Y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you again so much.